Extinct Legends, we're here starting off a new series called One-Offs. One-Offs will be featuring vendors, builders, customers with their cars. Just a quick little video just to feature that one person. Also makes it easier to find themselves on the videos that we're producing here. And today we're going to start off with Blalock Customs out of Marietta, Georgia. They're doing some phenomenal work, and we're going to feature a Land Cruiser that they did that went across the auction block at Mecum back in January of this year. And it was a 2.5-year restoration, just an amazing piece of work. And we're going to talk to Scott and his son Zach about that. And we're also going to follow up with them and go up to Georgia and do a feature on Blalock Customs, so look out for that. So without further ado, here we go. First one off, Scott Blalock, Blalock Customs. This is Dwayne with Extinct Legends, and we're out here at the Kissimmee Auto Auction here, first day, Thursday. I'm out here with Scott and Zach, man. I'm looking at this Land Cruiser, man. It's a beautiful, beautiful job out here, and he was just telling me a little story about it here, so we're gonna talk to Scott real quick. Scott, you're just telling me about, you know, how you do these, you did this restoration, and you brought it from Australia or something like that?
We had a gentleman that purchased it from Australia. Well, he brought it down, I guess, from Australia.
Gotcha.
And had it here at that Mecum auction 4 years ago. The gentleman that bought it loves restoring cars and, you know, flipping them. And that's just, he gets a high off of it. It's just, he's a car guy. He brought it to my shop, and he didn't know what to do, what he wanted to do with it at first. And 2.5 years later, we restored it, and he decided to run it through the Mecum auction to see what it brings this time. And he's purchasing another vehicle down here while we're down here.
Awesome. So where's your shop located? What's the name of your shop?
Blalock Customs in Marietta, Georgia.
Okay, all right. You guys made the ride down with it, or did you trailer it here?
We had it transported.
Got you. Hey, man, it looks great, man. I love the color. These are becoming very popular on the Mecum auctions. I've been seeing more and more of them. So hopefully you guys do well. Bring a nice penny, and I hope to see you guys out here again.
Thank you.
Thanks for talking to us today.